This video will help you to connect your Connectwise Manage account with your Tier 2 Tickets Help Desk Buttons account. There are 3 steps to this process. The first is to create an unregistered user. Our software matches tickets to users by email address in Manage. If someone tries to submit a ticket but Manage does not recognize the email address, our software will instead submit the ticket to a catch-all user. The user needs to have a specific email address: unregistered@helpdeskbuttons.com. The first step in creating this user is to select or create a company in which the user will belong. If you already have a catch-all company or want to use your own company, that's fine. The only requirement is that the company has a financial status that's set to active to allow tickets to be put in. To create the user in Manage, click on the plus new button, then Contact. Fill out the contact details with whatever you like. Just make sure that the email address is unregistered@helpdeskbuttons.com and the status is set to active. The second step is to create an API user, get an API key, and gather the rest of the things we'll need for this integration. The first thing you need is an API endpoint. This endpoint is related to the URL that you use to access your Connectwise Managed instance. If you're cloud hosted, the endpoint will be something like api-na.myconnectwise.net. Now let's create a new API member and key. To do this, select System, Members, API Members, then click the plus sign. You can name the API endpoint anything you like. For the role, select Admin. If you prefer to create a custom security role, the permissions our API will need are in our Connectwise Manage integration documentation, linked in the description of this video. Fill out the rest to match your company. You'll probably want a default board selected, and optionally you can exclude any boards the API should not access by adding them to the Restrict Board Access area. Once you save, click API Keys and click the plus sign to add a new key. Once you fill out the description and save, a public and private key will be issued. Please note that the private key will only be shown until you navigate away from this page. It cannot be revealed later. Copy these down as you'll need both pieces to set up the integration. The last piece you need is the company ID. You can find this on the login screen for Manage. It's the field labeled Company at the top here. Once you have all these pieces of information, we're ready to integrate. The final portion is done in your Help Desk Button Tier 2 Tickets account. Once you're logged in, go to the Integration Settings page by clicking Software Management Integration Settings from the main navigation menu. On this page, select Connectwise Manage as the ticket system and fill out the API endpoint. For most people, again, this will be something like api-na.myconnectwise.net. For the API key, we recommend using Notepad or something similar to build the API key. It should be of the form company ID plus public key colon private key. Paste it into the API key field, click Update, and save your changes. You should now be able to click the Integration Test button, and our system will send a test ticket to your Managed instance. If you see success and a ticket number, you're all set. Optionally, you can set some default values to customize your integration. For more information, check the documentation linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.